In this video, we're diving into the process of creating labels using the task pane in AutoCAD Map 3D. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle creating labels from line objects. Navigate to the task pane, click on Data, and select Add Drawing Data. Choose the drawing layer containing the line objects. For example, in our case, we have line objects in the duct layer. Once you've added the drawing layer, right-click on the layer and select Add Style, then choose Text. This will create a new text style layer under the added drawing layer. Right-click on the text style layer and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Value field and add the Label field as demonstrated in the video. You can enable labels for any value available in the Expression Chooser properties. Now, a common issue arises where labels disappear when you delete the line feature. To fix this, select all labels using the Select Similar option and change them into a separate layer. Then, use the Text to Mtext command to separate them. Moving on to another scenario. Let's select Object Data instead of default Properties fields. Be sure to have Object Data under the Properties in the Expression Chooser window. In this case, we're selecting Point Features. Follow the same steps as before. The key difference here is selecting the field value from object data instead of properties. And there you have it. Creating labels using the task pane is a powerful tool for enhancing your project organization and clarity.